Alright, good morning, America. It is, I'm gonna guess it's around 5:45, but we are fishing. Today is the fishing day. We
America.
there we go, can't see. There we can see you. We're fishing. See, there's the fishing pole. We have the worms. There's my fishing pole. Kind of sitting there. We have the worms. Kind of creepy. And the worms. Oh, there they are. Shot of the worms. Wiggling around like worms do. The camera shot. Alright, well, sunrise is about to happen. I'll let you know when that does. And when we catch our minnow, we will definitely capture that on footage. We'll have an interview with him right here in the bucket. So stay tuned, America. Fishing with minnows. Okay, hello, America. Obviously we missed the sunrise. There was no sunrise, so don't feel like you missed out on anything. We're on the other side of the pier, which is kind of exciting because my little bomber. There it is. There it is. Where'd it go?
Fish.
I can't find it. And we're fishing. We are trying to, but there's our fishing pole. Here's the pier.
Fine.
So far we've had no luck. Hello, America. So we're still fishing, but we've hit a snag in the fishing. There it is. There's our snag. Yeah. Let's get a nice good close up. Snag right there. Dixon's our only hope. Purple. Still good. Look at it down there. If we catch anything, we'll definitely record that sucker. But future's not too bright. Just let you know what's going on at the fishing experience.